Kaduoy man po sila. Bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Bird? Wow, what bird? The bird died. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Hi, bird. Hi, bird. BGM?
I said bye to my friend.
Who's your friend?
Bye,
Did he come to church? Did he went to church? Did she went to church? Did she go to church?
yeah, I saw her when she passed. What's that?
Look, what's he holding? What's Jico holding?
It's like a berry.
It's a bird.
Is it real?
Yeah, but it's dead.
Where did he got it? No.
On the window. Nak, Jico Bala was crying and crying. Only the bird made him stop crying. So don't get the bird, huh? Do not get the bird so that he will not cry.
I heard him crying there when I was talking with my friend.
Yeah.
Hi there, my friend. We got a bird. Here's our bird.
Show to daddy the bird. Show to daddy. Look, daddy, oh.
Zico got a real bird. Hi guys. Our friend is cousin.
Ga, gasugit sa imo, ga. Daddy, gasugit sa imo.
Daddy, that is a real bird. That is a real bird.
Gabi ang hilak. Nagsuka pagid.
Agas!
Draw nang kita naman do. Nagwa kami nakita naman sa bintana. Patay na gani. Sige lang. Bago pa na namatay, wala pa ba? Grabe yan, matangos ka. Grabe, hindi masarap.
God!
Ay, nagsulod kami. Gusto niya mag-upo dito sa simbahan. Magsakay pa sa salakyan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's all, folks. Jaco only stopped crying when he saw the bird. We saw a bird on the window. Judy said it's... Give. God sent the bird so Jaco will stop crying.
Yeah, here's a bird. Ow!
Bye.